What is your aim?
I wanna be a world-class author, but I yearn to be a good human being first.
Why do you want to be an author?
I love reading books and narrating stories, so I wanna be a world-class author.
Why do you yearn to be a good human being?
I can't be a good writer unless I'm a good human being, so I yearn to be a good human being first.
Hi there, I'm Rajesh Shah and you are learning Standard English at C for English. These kids learn English here. She is Shraddha and she is going to interview one of her classmates. Let's watch this beautiful interview.
Welcome to C for English. I am an interviewer and she is an interviewee. Let's start the interview. May I know your name, please?
Of course, my name is Shrishti.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you born and raised?
I'm born and raised in Delhi.
Where do you put up?
I put up in Delhi.
In which class do you study?
I study in 3rd standard.
What kind of person are you?
I'm honest, diligent, creative and spiritual.
Do you believe in God and yourself?
Yes, I have sublime faith in God and myself.
What is your aim?
I wanna be a world-class author, but I yearn to be a good human being first.
Why do you want to be an author?
I love reading books and narrating stories, so I wanna be a world-class author.
Why do you yearn to be a good human being?
I can't be a good writer unless I'm a good human being, so I yearn to be a good human being first.
What are you doing to be a world-class author?
I'm learning English at C for English, where we are taught basic to advanced grammar, vocabulary with uses and collocation, phonetics, how to consult dictionary and literary devices, which are essential to read, understand, write and speak in standard English.
What are literary devices?
All the figures of speech, symbols, syllable, meter, rhyme and others are called literary devices.
How many figures of speech are there in English literature and why these are important?
There are many figures of speech in English literature like simile, metaphor, personification, apostrophe, pun and others. My sir often says that we cannot understand literature without knowing figures of speech, like we cannot understand language without knowing parts of speech.
Who is your favorite author?
Ruskin Bond, Roald Dahl, Charles Dickens and Premchand are my favorite authors.
Which is your favorite fiction and why?
A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens is my favorite fiction. One of the main themes in this novel is transformation. It is a story about a person named Scrooge, who is a very cruel man, hates Christmas, and doesn't have good relationship with people. He always thinks only about money, but he changes his mind because of 3 spirits. So it's my favorite fiction.
Who is your ideal and why?
My parents are my ideals. They are not only good professionals but also good human beings. So they are my ideals.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 5 members in my family.
What are your hobbies?
Reading books, playing badminton and painting are my hobbies.
Did you enjoy this interview?
Yes, I did enjoy a lot.
Nice talking to you, Srishti.
Same here.
Thank you very much for watching this video.
आप जब कॉन्वर्सेशन करें तो प्लीज एक दूसरे से आई कांटेक्ट बनाए रखें. In next video, you will learn passive voice, which plays very important role in our day-to-day conversation.